Hey guys, it's Redding Airsoft here with me, Redding, and Patrick here, and Chase is the cameraman. The guy right there, paintball uniform. So we're gonna do a review of the field that we have. Right here is base 1, base 2. It consists of just logs piled on top of each other. It's important to have sidewalls because we have a ditch right over there, and the other teammates can run over here and start shooting at you right here. You don't even know it. So that's a thing to be aware of. Our field extends with 2 houses. Our neighbors kindly let us use their house, their backyard house. So we'll take you on that. This ditch runs along here. So it goes for a pretty long time. Sometimes we use like man-made bunkers here, like for instance this one right here. This one's really good. You can hide behind, then shoot the other teammate's bunker right there. We have a lot of fallen leaves and everything to hide behind. This one right here. A whole bunch back there. Nice little log thrown behind. And,
that was him shooting my shin.
We have a whole bunch of sticks and stuff right here. We're going to build bunkers and stuff if we need to, but we don't really need to. This just keeps on going on. I mean, there's like trees to hide behind, which is good. And then if Chase will come over here. It ends right here. Where the cinder block is base 1. Base 1 is way down there. So you start off right here. You can either go over here, run down here, run through the briars, all that, go back there, you know.
And also, again, streaming around base 1 back there, we have real thick underbrush. So if you have got like camo, you can just stand there and they could barely see you.
Let's go.
It's pretty awesome. But you also want extra padding.
So we also have this.
Always want extra padding. Redding, are we good? You know it's hard to walk. That's Matthew shooting it. I mean, that's Redding shooting at Matthew. Hooray! Oh, oh. God.
Come on, Hank.
No,
We're making a video, man.
Like we said, here's a whole bunch of underbrush. I like to hide behind there and shoot Matthew.
no, you cannot use my gun.
It's way over there, and you can see across of it. And then there's real thick underbrush over there.
Then it goes back here to the tree pile right here. 2 shots, as you can see. And Chase will this is our cap gun that we have to start off the game. It's Matthew's right here. Just pull the trigger. It's a revolver.
Simple as that.
Yep. Okay. Now let's go. There's a tree pile right there.
Yeah.
Another ditch.
The bunker. All the
We're gonna build that up. There's really nowhere to get close over here.
Dude, look at all this thick underbrush.
That's just hiding behind here, and I could barely see him.
Yeah, he was.
That was the thick one.
I was trying to move up right here.
Look at all this thick underbrush.
Like I said, the ditch is right there.
Yeah, hold on.
I like that ditch better because it's more of an incline and up. That was kind of like. And then down here, here's a whole bunch of thorn bush. You have behind here. They usually stay in the ditch, in the fort right there. So those 2 places over here. This is the sheep. This you can barely even get out of this because it's all intertwined and it really doesn't go through.
But sometimes if they get lucky, it can go through.
It's possible, but
We haven't had it happen yet.
Yeah,
we have. Well, maybe we have actually. Show my small bunker. There's a small bunker right here that I was trying to build. Didn't have enough time though. Just before there's a ditch, if you're pruning, just trying to get over, just trying to shoot barely over, so you can get over.
come on, Chad.
I like laying down.
You look how thick this is now. Like you could barely even get in there.
And where you go, you'll get poked. That's why you need gear. Giant tree.
It's big enough to hide behind. That's very good. So that's our field. Thanks for watching. Bye.